Wait, let me see the phone. Okay, let me hold. Mister, wait, I beg. Wait, I beg. I beg, wait. This is your boy, Dorothea Awilo. You can check me on the social media platform. Type Dorothea Awilo, like, share, comment, subscribe, follow. Remember, when preparation meets opportunity, the result always be successful. See, inside the week, I have a call from someone, Mr. Dinka. I was telling me that you want to give me a job. I'm like, good job. If it's anything concern blind date, see, I don't want to do any blind date again because the last blind date that I do, I sustained some injury here. I didn't even recover from it now. But he said no, like, is to propose to his girlfriend. I said okay, and I made an appointment with him that he should see me today so that we can go to the girl to propose to her. And the man is here, Mr. Tinker, please come. Let's see how it go. Mr. Dinka, yeah, good afternoon. How you dey?
I'm fine.
You call me, right?
I call you.
And you say you want to propose to your girlfriend.
Propose to my girlfriend.
But the funny part of this story, the lady is pregnant for him, but you want to show love like the good man has seen exist in this planet Earth. I swear, I promised you. Now, okay, do you know where she's staying, right?
Yes.
Okay, can we go there?
Yes, we can.
But you didn't tell her anything.
I didn't tell you anything.
This is a surprise. Going to be boom like this. Fans, okay, no, you have the ring there with you.
Yes.
Let me see. Mr. Dinka, this is the man that we need. Wow. See ring. Nice one. Nice one. Let me tell you something. See, we need to go the place, but when get closer to the girl place, you need to hide. I don't want the girl to see that we are on the camera. And then Mr. Dinka, we go there. Me and Mr. Dinka, we go to the girl to propose and see how it go. Nice one. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see how it go. Yeah, let's go. Where can we follow to go?
Can follow like this.
Yeah, let's go. Oh yeah, viewers, follow us. Let's go. I can't wait. Nice one. Okay. See, cameraman, I beg. I can't wait to see this surprise. I beg. Mr. Dinka, you want to tell me that we are closing to the place. Very close. I want you to hide for somewhere so that when we go, the lady will not suspect anything. I cannot wait. Let's go.
All right.
Let's go. Cannot wait to see this. It's sweet. I think this place go good for the camera. I beg, camera, enter here. Camera, come and enter here. I beg, try to position yourself well. Don't let anybody see you. Enter. I don't want the guy to know that we are on camera. Enter here. I hope you can see me, Abby. You can see me, Abby. Okay, let's go. Mr. Jinka, oh yeah. Let's go.
Hi, babe. How are you? I don't have business.
You didn't tell me you're coming.
Yes. I just surprise you.
No. You can't. I don't need this. What is this? What's the meaning of
Why?
this? What's the meaning of this?
Why?
No. I can't accept this. I can't accept this. Why are you giving me a ring?
Wait, sorry. Mr. Jinka, this is your fiancé, right?
This is my fiancé.
Do you know him?
I know him now. He's my friend.
Is your friend? No. No complicate issue here. Is it true that you are dating this man for 2 years?
Yes, we are dating. We are dating.
Wait, you guys have been dating for 2 years.
We've been dating.
He said he buy phone for you, Abby.
Yes, he bought phone for me.
Sometimes he say you to send you money to send to your parents.
Exactly.
Even the house you are living now, he rent the house for you.
Exactly.
Today he come to propose to you. What is the problem?
No, imagine. Just look at him.
Wait.
It's
This
too hard for
this
me.
pregnancy is not for him.
Excuse me. It's too hard for me. Don't tell me that.
Wait, it's not his pregnancy.
Don't tell me that. This is not his pregnancy.
Hey!
It's not the one that gave me pregnant.
She make a me.
It's not the one that pregnant me at all. It's not the one.
I don't understand.
No, let me. No, cool down. Let's just wait. Just take a good look at him.
Yes.
Is it not very old for me? Is it not old for me?
Why is it hot for
So
you?
why would you tell me
Wait,
to get married
wait.
to this old man?
You are telling me that it's hot for you, but that time when he was
Oga,
spending
please,
money
I
for
don't
you.
know you.
Awilo,
I don't know
you
Please,
denied me today.
I don't know you. Don't interfere in this issue.
Today
Wait,
you
wait.
denied
No, no,
me.
no, no, no. That's my job. I need to understand. See, this man, this Mr.
Don't
Dinka.
interfere in this issue.
Awilo, excuse me.
I don't
Wait.
know you. I don't know you. Don't
Wait.
interfere in this
Okay,
issue.
sorry. Wait, this pregnancy, who is the owner of this pregnancy?
I have a guy I'm dating. I was dating that guy when I was dating him. So he's not the he don't even know how to perform.
Hey.
The worst part is that he don't even know how to perform. Why do you want me to spend the rest of my life with this old man?
But this man don't know how to perform, boy.
He
He send
doesn't
you
know
for
how
school,
to perform. He
but
doesn't know
he
how to,
rent house for you.
did I force you?
Yes.
When you were
Awilo,
doing all those things for me, you were
excuse
doing
me,
it willingly.
Awilo.
No, he was doing it willingly.
But you
When
promised
doing
that
it
you are going to
willingly.
marry him
Really?
and you have a pregnancy now.
Oh,
You
no,
say
I
it's
don't
not a
like
why
it.
you're
pregnancy.
not-
I don't like
You
it.
remember
Because
when
I
your
said
man is sick?
because I promised
I
him,
pay
you were
1.5
not there.
million.
Oga, don't
Wait.
get me angry.
Wait, I'm not.
Don't-
Wait,
don't
wait,
even-
wait, wait. See, this place, he say he give you money to open this business. Is that right? Is it that right?
Oga, what's your
Sorry
problem?
for your condition.
What's
Sorry.
your problem?
Wait, is it right? I want to know the source of this problem. I want to know the truth.
Scream. I don't
Sorry,
like
yeah,
it.
sit down,
You're
please, sit down,
embarrassing me.
please, sit
Excuse
down,
me, you're
sit down,
embarrassing me.
please, sit down. I want to ask you simple questions. Sit down, please, sit down. Thank you. I want to know the root of this problem. Is it true that you have been dating this man for 2 years?
Oga,
Sorry. Is it true? Sorry.
I've been dating this man for 2 years.
Sorry.
I've been dating for 2 years. He came to me and said he likes me, he loved me. I welcomed him. He was doing what he was doing for me willingly. I didn't force him. So why will he come now and be telling me that he wants to get married to me? I don't want him. He's an old man. I can't spend the rest of my life with this man. I can't spend the rest of my just look at him. I can't spend the rest of my life with
This
him.
man bought this phone for you.
He's the one that bought it
Is he
for
not the one
me.
that opened this business for you?
He's the one that opened it
Why
for
you didn't
me.
tell him that he didn't love him then?
Oga, I didn't force him. I didn't force
No.
him.
Say,
I
see,
didn't
I don't
force him.
understand. I don't understand.
No, don't tell me that. Somebody is doing something for me willingly. I didn't force him. Like, did I take off his neck when he was doing it for me? Or did I point gun on his forehead, telling him that if he didn't do it for me, I will kill him? I don't
I'm
understand.
sorry for disappointing you. Like this pregnant that you can hear. Viewers, I don't know what to say because the proposal that we call this not work. The pregnancy is for another person. Now, Mr. Dinka, what are you going to do for this point?
Awilo, this lady I've been dating for over 2 years now.
Over 2 years.
Over 2 years now. When I'm suffer, I'm mother are sick on sick bed. I sell my land when I get Ikotu 1.5 million to save her mama life. I opened a business for her to survive her life. Now today you denied me. So all this when I have been doing, so if they use and they spend another person, they fresh another boy outside. Awilo,
Don't tell me
I'm
that.
going to
Don't tell
wait.
me
Awilo,
that.
I'm going to collect everything when I do for her.
I think I'm
What did
supporting.
you do for me?
He opened this business for you.
And so?
He bought
What
you
about
this
people
phone.
that build mansion for their wives, for their girlfriend?
Let's
No,
not get
now.
this. Wait now. To be honest with you, it's not good to do this for a man that sacrificed everything for you. Now you got pregnant.
Oga,
and you
don't
say
tell
the
me that
pregnancy-
one, I
No,
beg.
no.
My own
Don't
See,
tell me
see,
that
see,
one. I
see,
don't
see,
want him. I don't want to get married to him. It's not by force. Okay, is it by force to get married to someone?
my own
I
pikin
don't
won't
get.
give another
Why
person.
this man was spending for you for 2 years? Why did you tell him that you love him?
I force am. Shey I force him.
Awilo, I need to collect my receipt. I need to
Wetin you
collect my
wan
phone.
collect?
Uh,
Abeg.
wait.
I need to collect my phone. Give me my phone. Give me my phone.
See, anything. Wait, let me see the phone. Okay, let me hold. Mister, wait,
What?
abeg,
Why did you throw away
wait,
my
wait,
market?
wait, bring the
Why
phone.
did you throw away my
Wait,
I open the market for you. I open the market
no,
for you.
not the condition.
I open the market
See the
for you.
condition.
Awilo,
See the
which
condition.
condition?
Wait, see the condition
Give
of
my
this
phone,
one.
give my phone.
Wait.
Give my
wait.
phone.
Okay, let us set
Give
this
my
Sami
phone.
cable. You understand?
You
Wait,
throw away, you pay for
sorry,
it.
no worry.
You will
Sorry,
pay
sorry.
for it.
See, Mr.
You
Dinka,
don't have
you need
sense,
to.
abi?
Sorry,
You don't
see,
have
wait.
sense.
You need
You
to
pay
look
for
the
it.
condition of.
sense.
You need to look the condition
You
of her.
pay for
No,
it.
See,
this condition.
madam,
Carry
please,
my
let me see
pikin
the
go give
phone.
another person.
Let me see the phone. Please, let me see.
Leave me alone,
So,
Jare.
let me see the phone. See,
I must collect my phone now, Awilo.
Wait, Mr. Dinka, wait. See, I don't understand this issue. Why will you be dating a lady for 2 years and you pregnant the girl, or the girl get the pregnant for another person? Now you come to propose to the girl say the pregnancy is not for you. Ah, it's so touching. I don't know that this kind of
Oga,
thing exists.
the lady
Mr.
disappoint
Tinker,
me.
wait,
You
you need
disappoint me.
see,
No.
see, it's not good to scatter. See the condition where the lady is. You understand? Let me tell you something. You need to go. Let's go. You need to forget about all this. Eh?
Don't let down we know. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Don't let down we know.